Hey everybody, this is Nathan Turner with Turner Auto Group here in Opelika, Alabama. I've got a used 2019 Toyota Sienna XLE for you today. Beautiful van. This is silver on gray interior, tinted windows, sporty looking van. Absolutely love the Siennas. It is a Toyota through and through. You know these things are good for 300,000 miles. It's really enough said. This thing's got new tires on it, 100% ready to go. No accidents. 100% ready to go. This is a two-owner van. I've actually sold it to two different clients. I know the van very well, and both clients just upgraded and got into either something smaller after the kids moved out and all. Well, we're gonna do a full walk around on this one. I'm gonna show you how incredibly clean the inside is. And then I'll tell you some of the features on the outside as we're walking around it, and then I'll tell you how to find us online. So let's start right up in front. Big, huge grill on the bottom of this thing. Nice van though. I love the front end with the projector headlights. Nice grill up top. Love the silver. You do have the fog lights down below. Nice bright white light out of the projector headlights. And then the fog lights being that far down low, it really lights up the side of the road. Coming around the side, you've got the chrome door handle, you've got the window tint, you do have the roof rack up top, which is very nice. All you would really need to do is add the roof, or the I guess the crossbars, I guess you would say, to add the roof tint or the luggage rack or anything like that that you're gonna use that for. Tires, like I said, were in great shape, basically brand new. You got a Toyota open country tire. Brand new tire there. Coming around the back, nice LED light back here. No tow package, so this thing has not towed anything, so you know it hadn't been overworked. Like I said, you got the XLE badge right down there. Full backup camera, the whole deal, but I'll get into that when we get inside. Very sporty looking van. I love the tinted windows. Well, let's go ahead and open her up real quick. So there it is. Absolutely fantastically clean. These leather seats look new. That is factory leather, 100%. Beautiful. This one is equipped with your WeatherTech mats throughout, so first, second, and third row all have the mats. You do have a couple glove boxes over here, that one and your upper one. Two cup holders in the center, another cup holder in the door with a lot more storage over here. Nice wood grain on the door with your power one touch up and down button with your lock and unlock buttons. Soft touch materials over here on the door with your full leather. All right, let's get into the important stuff. Full power door like all vans these days have. As you can see, leather seats are in impressive condition. No car seat indentions, none of that kind of stuff. The last owners of this van were actually an older couple that I've taken care of for many, many years. So I know the van, like I said, very well. They've owned it. It was not beat up on or anything like that. Couple hookups right there in the center. And then you do have cup holders down below. Pull that down. Right there. So bucket seating, but you do have the jump seat, which will store in the rear on this one. So that is very nice. So in here, these seats in the middle row move up and back. So with this one, you can easily hop in and move to the back, or you can basically pull this button it accordions up and moves forward, and you can jump into the back that way. Super easy, super convenient. WeatherTech's back there as well. Seats back there are just as clean. 2 cup holders on each side, compartments on each side, and then you do have your sunshades built in that you can just pull right up over there, as you can see. One touch pull on the door handle, it'll close up. So there's several different ways you can actually open and close these doors. One is what I just did by pulling on that door handle. You've got a button inside, you've got a button up front, and then you've got a button on your key, so you can do it while you're walking up to the car. Go ahead and open up this rear hatch. Huge space back here. And then, like I said, you've got that jump seat right there that stores. Very nice, out of the way. Some of the older Odysseys and everything, you had to take that whole middle seat out, which was a total nightmare because it was super heavy. And when you took it out, it didn't store in the car. So you basically just didn't have it. Here, that seat, it is comfortable to sit in still, but it stores in the car. It's always with you. Let's go ahead and put these seats down. Carpet's in phenomenal shape. As you can see, no stains, no rips, no tears, nothing like that. Everything is in great shape. So as you can see, you got a flat load surface there. So if you put that down, this turns into one of the nicest trucks you can have with all the room and everything in the world. Middle row seats do come completely out of the car. So I have some clients out there that have taken out that passenger second row seat, left the third row up, which makes it super easy for the kids to get into the third row. And they used the middle second seat, or the middle row on the driver's side, and all 3 seats back here. And it just worked better for that family. A lot of nice grocery hooks back here. You got a total of 6. And in the very back, just in case you needed to know, the middle 2 seats, you obviously have 2 latches there for car seats. Back here, you have 2 as well. This one over here does not have one on the side. Power rear door. Push that button, get out of the way, it closes right up for you. And you can see right there the backup camera. Small scratch right there from a garage door. We buffed it out as best we possibly could, but it is still there a little bit, but still in great shape. That's just some buff and wax. But you can see how pretty the color is on this van. Sterling silver metallic, beautiful color. You got a lot of flake in that. Looks fantastic. Roof rack. Like I said, all you need is crossbars for that top camper. And then the really nice thing I love about these windows right here vent out, which is very nice, just to kind of, on hot summer days, you know it's not going to rain. As you can see the sky a little bit, it's been raining here a fair amount in the last 24, 48 hours, but you can actually vent that out and leave it out, and it'll stay pretty cool in that van. Let's open this door up. Nice interior, like I said, very, very clean. Inside and out, driver's doors, you can see no scuffs, no tears, no discoloration, nothing like that. Let's see here, one touch window. Did that so I could show you. It does have your heated mirror, but it also has your blind spot indicator right there. One touch right up. Over here on the side, that was where you can vent those rear side windows that I was just telling you about. And then the traction control button. You really don't need to mess with that. Got a nice change drawer right there at your knee. Let's go ahead and hop in here though. It does have your power seats on both sides. Driver's side does have lumbar support. Love the blue gauges on this thing. I did not know they all were blue. I bought a blue one of these one time, and I really just thought the gauges matched the outside of the car, but I kept buying them, and no matter what color you get, they're always going to be blue, which I do really like. 64,000 miles on this one. See the nice steering wheel. You do have lane keep assist, your Distronic cruise control there. You do have all these buttons which control that screen above. And over on the left, your answer button, hang up button for your phone, and then your voice activation button, and then channel changers and volume up and down. Automatic headlights, automatic fog lights on this one. Standard windshield wipers. Over here in the middle, it's nice and warm in here. It's very nice. It's 55 degrees outside, but pretty windy, so it's a little chilly, or at least for us Southerners it is. But yes, nice and toasty in here. You do have your tri-air condition, so front two passengers have their own settings, and then the rear passengers have their own. So you do have also controls back there, which I'll show you here in a minute. But you can actually lock them out up here so they can't control it in the back, just in case you got the little ones back there trying to mess with everything. Just below that, you've got a power outlet, USB hookups, auxiliary hookups, and then two heated seats, obviously, up in the front. Cup holders there. I don't know what those are going to hold these days. These cups are getting bigger and bigger. You might be able to put a Coke can or Pepsi can or something like that in there. But then you do have the nice big ones right back here, surrounded with their wood grain, which I do like. It's very nice. Looks good. Nice cubby hole down in there. Plenty of storage. It's about, I don't know, 10 inches deep, 8 inches deep. Amazing storage down there, though. Push that one back in too. Don't think there's anything in front. Let's go back up to this screen up here. So right now you're on your home screen. You've got your latest miles per gallon. Yes, that is probably wrong. Yeah, we got 175 miles per empty, or till empty, but I'm pretty sure that 5.4 miles per gallon is not correct. But down here at the bottom, you do have your phone hookup, and then the right is your radio. As you can see, there's a little bit of glare there, but that 5.4, it's been sitting here for a little while we've been doing the video, and then just around the lot. So obviously, I think these things push to about 26 miles per gallon on the highway, probably around 19, 20 around town. So still fabulous gas mileage. Let's push this menu button. It gives you all your menus. This one does have Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, the whole deal there, with your audio, phone, and setup information. Let's go ahead and hit audio there. Full touch screen, all your presets down there. Decent sounding system. So this one does not have the JBL or anything like that, but still super, super nice. So it has the map button and everything here, but if you keep hitting it, it doesn't really do anything. It's got the in-tune nap, so you do have to sign up for that, but there's no reason to. As long as it has Apple CarPlay and everything like that, it all works from your phone. Nice and easy. So up top here, you do have some door lighting and everything like that buttons. You've got your SOS button there, just in case you're in an accident. It'll automatically call, but if you need it quicker, you can actually push that button to call them earlier. Rear hatch button there, and then both side door openers there with your sunroof controls there. Yes, this has the sunroof, which is fantastic. Nice conversation mirror here. But a lot of nice features for the family. Super comfortable van, no matter what row you're in. Tons of space. Very nice looking interior. Like I said, super clean. You can see the dashboard. Nice materials. You do have a leather stitch dash up here, so leather here. It does go to a harder plastic just behind that, but still very nice cap right there. Just looks very nice and very well done. Over here, we'll put it in reverse real quick. Show you that backup camera. Get that glare out of there as best we can. Getting a little warm in here. Turn that down. Let me get in the back seat real quick. All right, close that door up. So these seats sit, which I like a lot. They sit a little higher. That is where I'm viewing out the front window right there. So I sit a little over the front passengers. So this is true stadium seating on this one. So this chair is up a pretty good bit right here, but I still have around 3 or so inches, but I have the ability to move it back just like this. So I think I've got another 5 or so inches there between my knee and the seat. You got your sunroof up there and your AC controls just to the left in the ceiling up at the top for the driver's side rear passenger. So put the older kid over here for sure. All rows have your vents in the ceiling, which is another phenomenal thing that they finally did. I know if you've got kids or young kids and you're not used to having the minivan or the big SUV or anything like that, they finally went ahead and put all of the vents for the second row and the third row are all in the roof. So no matter where you're sitting, all of those AC units or AC outlets, I should say, are right there at your face, keeping you warm, cool, or what have you. Both side windows also have your sunshade. Nice and easy there. So they're also tinted, so it's still not the end of the world, but still nice to have the window tint and that visor. And then, like I was showing you in the back, third row has the same thing. All right, so let's hit this button just inside the door, right there. We'll go ahead and hit that. It'll close that door up. Daytime running lights on this van. Super pretty van, very sporty looking, great for the family. 2019, 64,000 miles on this one. Super clean. Absolutely won't find one cleaner, I can almost promise that. Again, 2019, 64,000 miles on it. This is the Toyota Sienna XLE edition. Leather, heated seats, everything. Check us out online at TurnerAutoGroupLLC.com. Go ahead and hit the subscribe button below and the bell. That way it'll alert you every time we add a different or another car to the lot, or a car that we've put on special, or some of these that we get in that we sell for people that are like extremely specialty cars. Like right now we've got a Nissan GTR out here. We do have a 23 Corvette with like 700 miles on it. Very clean, very new. Still has decals and stickers and all that kind of stuff on it. Super nice. And then we've got another Dodge Challenger Scat Pack that is really gorgeous. So anyway, just keep an eye on us. Hit that subscribe button below. Follow us on Facebook, or like us on Facebook. Follow us on Instagram and TikTok. But thank you all for watching. We try to make these videos to make it easier for our clients to shop at home, at work, on the road, so you do not have to come in. You can watch these videos, get acquainted with your new car, and then come in, do paperwork. We've got you in and out of here in no time, trying to make it easy for you. But thanks for watching, drive safe, and we'll see you on the next video.